When I started my audiophile journey back in 2009 2010 with the Etimotic ER4P, having a balanced armature was a novelty back then. It was a big thing, big deal. There weren't many balanced armature earphones in the market, and there won't be many to be precise. But fast forward to 2020, and things are really haywire these days. Balanced armature earphones are basically available at 20 $30, but more than single BA driver earphones, the hybrid earphones are very cheap these days. They are fairly cheap. You can get a hybrid earphone for as less as $10, $8. These earphones are not bad. KZ, TRN, they are there. They are not bad, but there still are audio companies, earphone companies, which are keen on making quality stuff. And in these days of abundance, what I have here is a slightly on the expensive side earphone. It's from Jomo Audio, the Precursion 3, made in collaboration with a band. I believe, I do not exactly remember the name of the band, but it's Percussion 3. There was a 2, and this is the 3. I need some more blade. Okay. Come on. Yeah. It's not a it is not a very busy earphone to be. I don't know how to put it. It is not those earphones which are loaded with drivers. It's a dual BA single dynamic driver hybrid earphone, and the setup is fairly easy. But there are earphones like Empire's Bravado, which are single BA single DD and are priced at $600, and they are fantastic. And I'm expecting something similarly impressive from this too, nothing less to be precise. Two precision tuned balanced armature drivers, one 10 mm three-way crossover, one low, one mid, one high, classic design, duo sound Bose, 25 ohm. Not bad. Jomo Audio has been known for their high-end stuff, not very much known for their mid-range stuff. The high-end earphones are very well accepted by both reviewers and buyers. There are a lot of accessories, cable clip. There is something interesting here. I don't see this thing very often. Now this is a cable clip I'll be happy to use on any earphone. Fantastic. Cleaning tool, 6.5 mm, the airline adapter, few tips Nothing exactly special here. Now here comes the earphones. Are there foam tips in here? No, no foam tips. There is a wide bore, whirlwind wide bore. There are 3 pair of double flange. No, no foam tips. Now this is another cable manager when you are not using the earphone. This is the earphone. Looks good, I think. So yeah, I switched from the wide angle to the not so wide angle, the stock camera. So yeah, let me show you the specification again with better focus. This wide angle didn't had autofocus on it. So yeah, 2 precision tuned balanced armature drivers, 1 10 mm dynamic driver, 3-way crossover, 1 low, 1 mid, 1 high, classic design. The 2-bore design. It's a good looking earphone nevertheless. Jomo Audio Precursion 3 to be precise. It's supposed to be slightly on the bassier side, but I believe it still has a lot of details and clarity to it. I haven't really been working on basic earphones these days. I've worked on expensive earphones, but this 2BA single DD hybrid is a basic design to be precise. It has been there from the beginning with Dunu 1000 DN 1000, which was priced at around $200 and was one of the best earphone back then. And this too has a dual BA single dynamic driver design and is priced at around 700 Singapore dollar or around 500 US dollars. So yeah, that's a big price bump, but I'm expecting it to be considerably better than those $100-200 hybrid earphones. So let's see how it improves on those earphones. I have a few hybrid earphones to be precise, 3BA single dynamic, 2BA single dynamic. 2BA single dynamic is Onkyo E900M, and that is still priced at around $450, which is not cheap by any means. Let me show you the tips. I was really baffled by the wide angle, why it was not focusing. So yeah, now when I have switched to the main cam, yeah, it's better now. The design is semi-custom type, not very custom type. I'll be comparing it with the Avara AV3, which is really good, because Avara AV3 is one of the best earphones I have come across for under $400. It's priced at $340, which is a fantastic sounding earphones. It's precise and detailed. The amount of details is fantastic. Now yeah, that's it. I've shown you guys the earphone. It's slightly on the greenish side. Can you see the drivers? Yeah, I think the drivers are visible. These are the BA drivers, I think, nothing else. 2-bore design looks nice. The size is not big, it's okay, and looks very good to me. So that's it. Jomo Audio Precursion 3. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll be posting the comparison video soon in couple of weeks. I say days, but I never do that in days. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.